Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to our show. Diane, what do you think of our design?
Wow, skateboarding without paying attention to signs. That's very dangerous.
As you can see, the name of today's show is Signs All Around. We can see signs wherever we go, indoors, outdoors, in the city, and even in the countryside.
Yes, signs are very useful. Signs remind us to pay attention to a lot of things. Through pictures and simple words, they give us a warning, an instruction, or some other information.
Signs usually carry pictures and words, but today all of the signs we've produced don't have any words. Do you know why?
Yes, of course I know. Because we want you to tell us the meaning of the signs. Today, we have 3 teams. We have blue for the boys, we have pink for the girls,
and orange for the mixed team.
Actually, our competition has already started. See, each team is working on a design to remind people to pay more attention to signs.
Just like our design here.
At the end of the show, we'll decide which design is the best. The 3 teachers with us today will be the judges for our games.
Sure. Today we have some quizzes on signs, matching signs with photos, and some other games as well. I'm sure you'll enjoy today's show.
Chris, shall we begin?
We've got 3 envelopes for you to choose, A, B, or C. Blue team, which would you prefer?
B, please.
B for blue, perfect match. What does this sign mean?
No dogs allowed.
No dogs allowed?
Very good. Next sign, what would this mean?
Any ideas? Anybody?
No littering. No littering.
No littering? Don't drop litter here.
Yes, very good.
The third sign, please.
No eating.
No eating or?
And drinking.
No eating or drinking? Don't eat or
Very
drink food
good.
here. Congratulations.
Fourth sign, what is the hand doing?
Rubbish bin.
We need an answer, blue team.
Is that a rubbish bin?
Oh, I'm sorry,
I'm
that's
afraid
wrong.
not.
Okay, it was beware of pickpockets.
Okay, the last sign for the blue team. What does this mean? I think
Don't making noises.
Say it again.
No making noises.
No making loud noises. Keep your noise down. Congratulations, blue team.
Not too bad, blue team. You have 180 marks for this round. Now, orange team, it's your turn. Please choose an envelope.
A, please.
What does this sign mean?
No entry.
No entry. Correct.
Very good. And what's the next sign?
Beware of slippery floor.
Very good.
Perfect
Precisely.
answer. Slippery floor or slippery surface?
Next sign.
Don't step on the grass.
Very
Again,
good.
a perfect answer.
Next one.
Don't play football.
Don't play football or
Precisely.
don't play soccer. Well done.
The last one.
No hawkers.
No hawking. Yes,
No
very
hawking
good.
or no hawking. Well done, orange team.
Very good, orange team. You have 200 marks for this round.
Congratulations. Well done, orange team.
But let me remind you, we would like a more precise answer next time. For example, not no enter, but no entry. Okay? So let's go on with the game.
Now it's the pink team, but I'm afraid you have no choice this time. Are you ready, pink team?
Yes.
Your first sign is?
Let's see what it is.
What does this sign mean?
No picking on the flowers.
No picking of the flowers or don't pick the flowers?
Okay. The next sign, what does this sign mean?
No smoking.
Perfect.
And this one? Any ideas, pink team? I'll have to hurry you.
Okay, let's go on to the next one. The correct answer is mind your head. Okay, the next one.
What does this sign mean?
No photo taking.
No photo taking?
Very
We'll let you
good.
have that one.
Okay, the next one.
Dangerous.
I'm sorry, it's wrong.
Anything else?
Poisonous.
Poison, yes, that's correct.
Poisonous or toxic are acceptable. Congratulations, Pink Team.
Okay, Pink Team, you have 180 marks for this round. Now let's do a roundup of all the results. Blue Team has 180 marks.
200 marks. Orange?
Orange Team has 200 marks. And Pink Team has 180 marks also. So, Orange Team is leading. Blue and Pink, please try harder. Now, boys and girls, you have a chance to answer some questions on signs and to win a prize. Just raise your hand and we'll call you. Look at these signs on the board. Do you see anything common in the design? Does anyone know?
Yes, you.
Yes, you.
Answer.
They both have some. They all have crosses. Some of them have crosses.
Yes, and also about the shape.
They're in circles.
Yes, they're
They're
round.
circular.
Very good. You deserve a prize. Now, the next question is, what is the meaning of the line across this round shape? Yes, the one at the back.
It means do not do this or you shouldn't do this.
Well
Excellent.
done.
Very good, very good. So, the signs which remind us not to do something are round, and they have a line running across them.
What about the words for these signs? Do they have anything in common? Yes, you.
Yes?
No or don't.
No or don't?
That's
That's
good.
correct.
That's
Yes.
correct. That's correct. Very good, very good. As we've noticed, the signs in the first round remind us not to do something or to give us a warning. That is, to be careful of something, such as pickpockets or wet floors. Now, in the second round, we have a new type of sign. Match the photos and the meanings with the correct signs. When you're finished with the matching, press the bell. Then the other two teams will have to stop at once. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are you ready, teams?
Yes.
Go!
Blue team! Blue team! Blue team! We are the best! Yay! Pink team, hear our cry. The louder we cheer, the harder you try.
Can we have an orange cheer? Oh.
Orange
Okay.
is the best.
Okay.
Pink team.
Let them beat the rest.
Very good. I see Pink team has finished.
Okay, the other two teams will have to stop at once. Okay, let's see how the teams have done. Blue team, that's 1, 2 missing. That's 140 marks.
Yes. Let's take a look at orange team. There's one missing, so it makes 150 marks.
And pink team appear to have them all correct. Let's see. Escalator, airport, telephone, hospital.
Toilet, it's upside down, but I'll give you 20 marks for that. Recycle, restaurant, money exchange.
They're all correct.
Yes, that's 160 marks. Okay, boys and girls, would you like to come closer? I'll ask you some questions on these signs. Look at these signs. What do these signs tell us? Do they give us a warning? Yes?
They tell us to do something or a place where you can do something.
Yes, they give us some information like where the airport is or where the toilets are. Very good. Okay, let's take a look at the results.
Blue team has got 320 points.
Orange team has 350 points.
And pink team has 340 points. As a result, the orange team have taken the lead.
Yay!
Now, the third round is a bell quiz.
All right, everything's okay. Let's begin.
And what does this mean? Orange team.
Lift.
Very good.
That's correct. Next sign, please.
Next sign.
Blue team.
Transport.
Correct.
Yes, precisely. Next one. Pink team.
Letters.
Not correct. Any other team? Orange.
Post office.
That's
Very
correct.
good.
For 10 marks. Pink team.
Taxi.
Not correct. Orange team.
Taxi stand.
That's
Very good.
correct. Next picture.
Blue team.
Coins exchange.
Coin.
Pink team.
Money exchange.
Very good. Money exchange. Next one.
Number 6. Orange team.
School zone.
School
School
zone.
Pink.
Beware of children crossing the road.
Okay, I think we
School
can explain
crossing.
school crossing.
Next one.
Number 7.
Blue
Pink
team.
team. Pink team was first.
Car park.
Correct.
Very good.
Orange team.
Basketball.
Okay.
Basketball court. That's correct.
Number 9. Right, okay.
Pink team. You were first.
The disabled.
Parking or facilities for the disabled.
For the disabled. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Next.
Pink.
Pink team again.
Hello.
You have 3 seconds. Oh, would
Time's up. That is...
another team? Blue.
Lost and found.
Lost and found. Not correct. Okay, orange.
Ticket office.
Very close, but it's actually service counter. Very similar, but service counter.
Customer service
Oh, we can
counter.
accept that, I think. Yes, we can
Okay.
accept. Ticket office, yes, I'm sorry. Okay, sign number 11, please. Orange.
Water fountain.
Correct. Water fountain
Or
or
drinking
drinking fountain.
Next one. Pink.
Emergency exit.
That's correct.
Precisely.
Emergency exit or fire exit.
Okay, next one. Pink.
Bicycle lanes.
Bicycle lane or bicycle path, cycling path,
Very
all are
good.
acceptable.
Okay, next one.
Orange.
Lost and found.
Lost and found office. Yes,
Yes,
that's
very
correct again. Very good.
Okay, next one. Pink.
Minibus stand.
Exactly.
I don't think we can see.
Okay,
Wait,
orange was first. Orange.
No skating. No skating. No
roller skating. Very
Okay,
good.
that's correct.
I believe the judges have something to say. Miss Wong.
Just now, the blue team said coin exchange. I believe that is an acceptable answer.
Thank you, Miss Wong. Miss M.
Just now, the orange team said school zone. I believe that is an acceptable answer as well.
Let's take a look at the marks again.
Blue team has got 360 marks.
Orange team has 460 marks.
And the pink team has 420 marks. Okay, to round off the show, let's look at their designs to see which is the best.
The best design will get an extra 30 marks. Guess which team will come first? Okay, Mrs. Chan, please.
We have chosen this one because the design is simple, the message is clear, and that makes it very effective.
Ah. Thank you, Mrs. Chan.
Okay, so the winner of today's show is the
Orange
team
team.
with 450 marks.
Yay. Let's ask Miss M to present the prize to the winner. Miss M, please.